Hello and welcome to day 23 of Bedtime Welsh. Oh, hello. Woohoo! And yes, sorry, for those of you who I probably should have been a little bit kinder about saying that angen was a new word yesterday. I'd kind of forgotten, to be honest. But I hope you picked up on it and hope you got through it okay in the end. And what have we loved? We loved seeing socks. You liked seeing socks, didn't you? What do you think of socks?
He's cute.
He looks cute, yeah. And Alice is finding her dad's bald spot. Don't say anything. Yeah, no. Well, obviously I don't have a lot of hair anyway, but there's rumours of bald spots around here too. So I feel for you, Daniel. Okay, so let's crack on with day 23. And what we've got for you today is to work. So the Welsh for to work is gweithio. Gweithio. So to work is
Gweithio.
Gweithio. Do you need to work is
Wyt ti angen gweithio?
Wyt ti angen gweithio. Do you want to work is
Dwi isio...
Na. Do you? Wyt ti?
Wyt ti isio gweithio?
Wyt ti isio gweithio? Still a little bit early in the morning for you, yeah? Then I want to work with you.
Dwi isio gweithio hefo chdi.
Dwi isio gweithio efo chdi. And then last one for today, I can't work now.
Fedra I ddim gweithio rŵan.
Fedra I ddim gweithio rŵan. Okay, there we are for today. See you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.